Click on the link below to get coupon. Welcome to our review of the By the Mirror embroidery machine, a versatile tool designed for both hobbyists and small business owners. With impressive features like 15 needles, a generous 20 by 14-inch embroidery area, and a max speed of 1,200 stitches per minute, this machine stands out in the crowded market of embroidery machines. Let's dive into the specifications. The 15 needles allow for quick color changes without the hassle of rethreading, making it perfect for intricate designs. The spacious 20 by 14-inch embroidery area accommodates larger projects, whether you're personalizing clothing or creating unique 3D hats. And with a max speed of 1,200 stitches per minute, you can complete projects faster than ever. So, who is this machine for? The By the Mirror is ideal for small business owners looking to expand their product offerings and for hobbyists who want to elevate their crafting game. Its commercial-grade capabilities make it a reliable choice for those serious about embroidery. Now let's talk about its design and build quality. This machine boasts a sturdy construction designed to handle the demands of frequent use. It has a sleek, modern look that fits well in any workspace, ensuring that it is not just functional but aesthetically pleasing. One of the standout features of this machine is its user interface. The 10-inch touchscreen is intuitive and easy to navigate. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, you'll find the layout user-friendly, allowing for quick access to various functions and settings. In terms of connectivity, the By the Mirror doesn't disappoint. With built-in Wi-Fi capabilities, you can easily transfer designs from your computer or tablet directly to the machine. This feature enhances usability, making your workflow smooth and efficient. Now, let's get into the performance review. Users rave about the stitching speed and precision. The machine handles a variety of fabrics with ease, ensuring that every stitch is placed perfectly. Reliability is key when working on projects, and this machine has proven to be a trustworthy workhorse. Versatility is another hallmark of the By the Mirror. It can tackle a wide range of materials, from delicate fabrics to thicker materials like denim and leather, making it perfect for creating 3D hats, custom clothing, and more. If you can dream it, this machine can likely create it. Of course, no review is complete without discussing the pros and cons. The strengths of the By the Mirror include its speed, ease of use, and excellent build quality. On the downside, some users have mentioned that it may require a learning curve for those completely new to embroidery. When comparing it to other models in its category, the By the Mirror holds its own. While there are other machines with similar specifications, few offer the combination of features, performance, and user-friendly design that this one does. Customer testimonials speak volumes. Many users have praised its functionality and efficiency, with one user noting, "This machine has transformed my embroidery business." Another stated, "I love how easy it is to use." The feedback is overwhelmingly positive, painting a picture of satisfaction among those who have made the investment. In conclusion, the By the Mirror embroidery machine is a remarkable tool that offers outstanding value for both hobbyists and small business owners. If you're looking for a reliable, versatile, and easy-to-use embroidery machine, this may be the perfect fit for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews, where we provide in-depth insights to help you make informed decisions on your crafting tools. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the link below to get coupon.